So hello everyone, in this video we will be learning how you can add videos in your HTML page. So basically I have created the dummy page, which is nothing but the boilerplate code we were actually writing. So this is the basic code actually. In that I'll be adding this video which I have already downloaded. I have added this in the same directory, which is this one, ironman.mp4. So I want to add this image actually. Oh, sorry, the video actually. So how can I add that? It's very simple. You have to use a video tag. Then there is a video closing tag. Inside that, you have to specify one source tag in which you will be specifying all your videos path. So if you have a different format of video, for example, this one is the MP4 format. Maybe sometimes it happens that some of the websites or some of the browsers don't allow MP4 format. So how we can actually use the different format for different browsers? That's very simple. Let me just add this one as well first. MP4. You just have to write the name or the path of the video file which you want to include. So ironman.mp4 is the name. That's why I'm adding this one. You can also use dot backslash if you want, but I'll not be using that. Just name and the mp4. Then after that we have to specify the type, and the type is nothing but video backslash mp4. So this is the video type, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. But sometimes it happens that some of the browsers don't allow this type of mp4 format or doesn't support this format. So in that case, you have to actually write one more source tag. Inside that, you can write one more file or one more format of video file, and that format can be anything. For example, let's say you have OGG format. So this OGG format of file you can download, or you can convert the same file here in any video converter and get this type of file as well. Then it will automatically select, if the browser doesn't support this mp4 file, then it will automatically select this one, this line of code, or this ironman.ogg format of file. And in here we have to specify video backslash ogg, and that's it. So it is for that case when some of the browsers are not allowing you, or some of the browsers doesn't support the mp4 format. In that case you will be writing this ogg format of file. So in my case, I don't have any OGG format of file for this video, so I'll not be including that. I can also write your browser doesn't support this. So it will execute if the browser doesn't allow this type of file, then it will execute this line. So it will be executed, otherwise this line or this mp4 video will be executed. So let's see what happens now. So if I go to the browser and refresh the page, you can see the video is there. If I click on here, so nothing is happening because we haven't added some attributes for selecting controls. So for adding controls, you just have to write this controls attribute in the video tag. This will allow you to add controls in the video. So no controls are there for playing or pausing or for increasing the volume. So if I refresh the page, now you can see the control is there, and this player can be different in the different browsers. So it is Firefox, so it is different in here, and in the Chrome it will be different. So if I click on here, so you can see the video is played actually. So we can we can also uh, decrease the volume if you want, and increase the same thing. So it is just the basic player it the browser has given to us, and we can also make this larger if you want. So we can make it full screen, and we can escape that as well if you want. And if you want this video to be started in muted mode, what is muted mode now? So muted mode is actually that this is actually not, it is this one. So volume is 0, you can say. So it is muted. So for that you just need to add muted here, not here. You just have to add muted here in the video tag. You can write muted, and then that will be actually applied. So you can see the volume is now 0. Of course we can increase that if you want, and we can go ahead. So this one is there, and if you want the video to autoplay, like the video is initially paused, and if we click on that, then it starts playing. So if you want the video to automatically start, then at that time also you can write autoplay attribute here. This attribute will actually autoplay the video whenever you refresh the page. So you don't have to click on that and play, it will automatically play the video. So this is it about the video. I hope you got something, and if you have any issues or doubt, you can comment down and we'll definitely be solving that. So in the next video we'll be learning how we can add audio in HTML page. So let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching.